going to learn the 8th lesson, decimals. Hello students, you heard about the word decimal? No, last year we didn't study decimal. So, we can study the new term decimal. We are already studied the fraction. So, first we can do the decimal fractions. You know which are the decimal fractions? Decimal fractions are the fractions whose denominators are 10, 100, 1000, etc. Such fractions are called decimal fractions. We can try some examples. 3 by 10, 5 by 100, 8 by 10. These are decimal fractions. The decimal fractions can represent in another form. Okay, the decimal fractions can represent another form. That is, we can write, that is 3 by 10. 3 by 10 we can write as 0.3. 3 by 10 we can write as 0.3. And 8 by 10 we can write as 0.8. Okay. Next, 5 by 100 we can write as 0.05. That is, here the denominator is 100. So after point we can write the two numbers here. Okay. Here if it is only 10. So we can write the after point only one number. So here it is 5, only one digit number, you can put 10 after point and we can write 5. So these numbers are called decimals. Okay, so these numbers are called decimals. A decimal has two parts. So here 0 can that one point, this is decimal point, and after that two parts. Okay, so the decimal have two parts and this parts is separated by a decimal point. So I write here 32.41. Here the decimal numbers have two parts. That is, this is here one part and this is one part, and this number is separate with one point. This is called decimal point. So here this number, this 32, this side is called whole part and this right side is called decimal part. Okay, so this is here 3 tens and 2 ones, and here when you're writing in words, that is 4 by 10 and 1 by 100. Okay, this is decimal part. And when you're reading this number 32.41, don't read after the decimal point. We can read only 41. Don't read 41. We can read only 41. Okay. So here the expanded form of 2.57. That is the decimal number 2.57, whereas the place value of 2 is 2 ones. So here the place value is this ones place, it is 2 ones. This is whole part. Then after the point, this 5 7 we can write as the place value of 5 is 5 tenths. Okay, the first number will be tenths, 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 and hundreds. That is, here 7 is hundreds. Okay, so when you're writing in the expanded form, we can write, so that is place value is 2 ones, 2 plus, here I told when you're writing in the decimal after the 5, so 5 by 10, this is tens place, so 10, then here 7 by 100, here 7 by 100. We can write the expanded form of 2.37. How will you write? It is 2 plus, this is tens place, 3 by 10 plus 7 by 100. One more question. There are two numbers, 8 by 10 and 7 by 100. So I want to write the decimals. How will you write? Here, this is tens place and this is hundreds place. There are two numbers is there. So here, 37 we write 3, 7. Right? 10 by we can write 80 here after the point only. So here you look here. Here 2 plus 3 by 10 plus 1 by 100. That is here 2.37. After the point 3 and 7 we can write as the decimal fraction. So here this 2 is whole part. Here no whole part is there. So we can put a 0. Then you can put one decimal. Then here 8 and 7. So again 8, 7 is the answer. Okay. We can do textbook activities, page number 28. Write the decimal number of each pictorial representation. One is done for you. So here, this is, you already studied how to write the fraction. So this is whole part. So this is fully shaded. We can write as 1 plus this is here 10 columns is there and 9 is shaded. So 9 by 10 plus here there are 100 columns is there. How will you find the 100 columns? You multiply this side and this side. 1 to here also 10 column. Here is 10. 10 to 10 is 100. So here 5 portions are shaded. So 5 by 100. Then we can add as 1. This plus here this whole part. Then put point. Then 9 5. 9 by 10 and 5 by 10 is equal to 1.95. B question. Here this is whole part. So we can write as 1. Then plus. Here how many columns are there? You count. 1, 2, 3. You can count and write. Okay. Here is 100. So here how many portions are shaded? So 3 by 100. Then how you write the answer? Here 1 point. Here no tens place is there. So we can put 1 0. Then 3. So the answer is 1.03. Same way next one also you can do. Here you count how many portions are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can count and write the portions here. Here no whole part. So here you can 0.1 write. Okay. So find out C and D answers also. Next, write the place value of digits in the pink. One is done for you. So write the place value of the pink color number. So I told before this decimal point, that is whole part, you studied tens, ones, hundreds, that number. After the decimal point, that is fraction. Decimal fraction want to write. So here 3. 3 is in tens place. So 3 by 10. Next question 908.654. Don't read 654. You can read as 654. So here what is the place value of 8? So 8 is in which place? That is in, this is whole part. Whole part that is in ones place. So we can write as it 8 itself here. That is in ones place. Okay. Next one 354.801. So here 0 is in which place value? That is the decimal fraction. So how will you write? This is 8 by 10, 0 by 100 and 1 by 1000. So here the place value of 0 is 0 itself. Okay. So 0 by 100 is 0. Okay. Next question. D question. 0.734. So here the place value of 3 is in hundreds place. So which fraction? Decimal fraction 3 by 100. Here the place value is in whole part. That is you simply write which place? Thousands place. Okay. Same we can do next also. Next complete the table. 1 is done for you. That is a decimal number in words expanded form. So here 9.04. So here 9.04 we can write as 9.04. 9.04. Next we can write the expanded form 9 plus. So here 0 by 10 is 0. So no need to write 0, that one. Then 4 by 100. Next here 2 plus 5 by 100 plus 9 by 1000. How will you write? So here this is in whole part. So we can write as 2 point here 5 by 100. So before 500 we want to write tens place. No tens place. So we can put 0. Then 5 by 100 5. Then 9. So the decimal number in words is 2.059. Okay. Same we can next also. Next one 54.18. You can write here. Then here 5 plus 4 plus 1 by 10 plus 8 by 100. Same we can do next also. This also how will you do? 3 point here 731.26. Write here the number, decimal number, then decimal expanded form. Next also here 3.852. Can write the decimal words, then you can write 3 plus 8 by 10 plus 5 like that. Next one here 100 plus 8 plus 8 by 10 plus 6 by 100 plus 1000. So last one, this 100 plus 8 is 108 point. How will you write? 108 point. Okay. Next 864. This way one try. Then write the number in words. Next page number 30, fourth one. For 892.475, write the digit in the tens place. So here which is the tens place? This is tens place. So we can write here 9. Tens place is 9. Tens place is 9. Then thousands plus I told. After the decimal, this is thousands. DTHS. This place is after decimal number. We can write as TH. This is thousands. Okay. So here this is thousands place is here 5. So we can write here 5. Next hundreds. Hundreds we already said that is whole part. So we can write as 8. Here we can write 8. Then ones place. Here ones place is which one? 2. So we can write ones place. Then hundreds. Hundreds. THS is there. This is decimal part. So here hundreds place is 1. 7. Then tens place. This is tens place is 4. So we can write as 4. You remember when you're writing this type of number, this before the right side. This is right. This is in decimal fraction, decimal part, and this is whole part. So decimal part is represented as THS. Okay. This decimal part is we can represent as THS. That is thousands, hundreds, tens. This is whole part. We studied tens, ones, hundreds. Okay. Next, write the decimal number of each. 6 in the ones place and 8 in the tens place. So I told this is ones place. So we can write as ones place 6.8 in the tens place. Tens place, how will you write? After the decimal point, you can write 8 or 6.8. Next, 9 in the hundreds place and 4 in the hundreds place. So how will you write? That is 9 in the hundreds place. So after the point 9 in the hundreds place, we can write 09. Why you write 09? There is no tens place is there. So we can write 09. Then here 4 in the hundreds place. So we can write as 400. Next question also 2 tens plus 8 tens, ones plus 6 tens plus 400s plus 7,000. So here after the point this 2, 3, 4 3 numbers will come and before the point 2, 28. Okay. Same way the next question. So we can do 300. 5 there is no tens place. So we can write 0 1 right there. Okay. And write the next 3 decimal numbers. One is done for you. First one 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. Here after the 2 3 decimals are 2.6, 2.7, 2.8. So the whole part will be the same and the decimal part will be changed. That's 6, 7, 8. Same way next 4.15. Don't read 15. You read 4.15, 4.16, 4.17. Next which number will go after 1718. The whole part will be the same. The decimal part will change. So 4.18, 4.19, 4.20. Okay. Same we can do next questions also. Here 5.007, 5.008, 5.009. Next 5.010. After 9 to 10. So we can write 010. Next also here 12.025. Then here after 25 next will be 225. 12.225. Next one 425. Next decimal will come 12.625. Then you can find out the next number and write, that is 2 after the first number will change 1/10th place, that is 2. For next 6, like that you can find out the answer. Same we can do E and F questions also. Next, fill in the blanks. 58 plus 0.241 is equal to, that is 50 is in which place? That is write the expanded form. Here 50 plus 8 plus 2 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 1 by thousands. Next also 100 plus 0.056. So how will you write? 100 plus, here no tens place. So we can write as 5 by 100 plus 6 by 1000. Next also here 268. How will you write? That is 200 plus 60 plus 8 plus 9 by 10 plus 8 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. Okay, I hope you understand. You practice some the textbook activities. Okay.